Welcome to SH Academy BD. Today I am going to share with you 40 most used sentence for our daily conversation. So, let's get started. As far as I know, he is good boy. As far as I know, he is good boy. Why do you need a girlfriend in spite of having a wife? Why do you need a girlfriend in spite of having a wife? You are one of them. You are one of them. Nothing feels good. Nothing feels good. I will be late. I will be late. Who was your first teacher? Who was your first teacher? It's a great compliment for you. It's a great compliment for you. Glad to hear that. Glad to hear that. Try to understand my situation. Try to understand my situation. She is not safe here. She is not safe here. Keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. Today is my 25th birthday. Today is my 25th birthday. Today is not Sunday, it's Saturday. Today is not Sunday, it's Saturday. I want to think about our relationship. I want to think about our relationship. How do you expect that? How do you expect that? The road is totally clear. The road is totally clear. It's not in my hand. It's not in my hand. Have you lost your mind? Have you lost your mind? I have got cold. I have got cold. I have got stomachache. I have got stomachache. Money can't solve everything. Money can't solve everything. He was asking about you. He was asking about you. Everything has become difficult since then. Everything has become difficult since then. It has already been said. It has already been said. This is the only option. This is the only option. It will be good. It will be good. They are getting married. They are getting married. We both are in the same situation. We both are in the same situation. It's make me crazy. It's make me crazy. Our demand should be limited. Our demand should be limited. I am going to taste each dish. I am going to taste each dish. This is for you. This is for you. I will answer all your questions. I will answer all your questions. It's not very difficult to find it. It's not very difficult to find it. It was for my friend, not for me. It was for my friend, not for me. After going there, he cut off all contact with me. After going there, he cut off all contact with me. It's not my fault if I am poor. It's not my fault if I am poor. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel.